We also have a Brandy Alexander. So Brandy Alexander, we're gonna serve in a cocktail glass. This is for our chocolate lovers. So let's chill that cocktail glass down. We're going with a mixing glass. 3/4 full of ice. We're going with brandy. We're going with an ounce of brandy in this case. And 1 ounce of creme de cacao. So our dark chocolate, we'll say our light chocolate liqueur anyways here. Because we've got chocolate going in there, we're gonna go with cream as well. So just 1 ounce of creaminess. And as we add that, we're gonna go and shake things up. So we're gonna get a nice froth on this one. And glass out, we end up having our strainer, hawthorn strainer. We go and strain our Brandy Alexander in. So now we've got flavors of brandy. So we've got a little bit of that grapiness in there from the brandy itself. Our chocolate going on and a little bit of cream. Fantastic little cocktail. Maybe serve with a cherry, maybe a little dusting of cinnamon, nutmeg. How about some cacao? So some cocoa. Take your pick at Brandy Alexander.
Start Bartending is an online course covering everything you need to know to confidently begin as a bartender. We will teach you how to make more money by making your customers happy with premium cocktails, efficient drink building techniques, and product knowledge. Go to startbartending.com to sign up for the course that can change your career and create new opportunities for you.